Best R6 attacker nobody plays. I love this title. It's simple, but it builds a ton of curiosity. First, there's contrast between best R6 attacker and nobody plays, right? It's kind of counterintuitive. Why is nobody playing this R6 attacker if they're so good? Also, it's a cliffhanger. Who is this R6 attacker? So you've got to click and you've got to find out who it is. And then finally, you kind of feel like you're getting in on a secret. Why does nobody play this attacker? What does this person know that not everybody else knows, right? So, and this title can be used for a bunch of different industries. Another example is the best relationship advice no one told you. We ran every day for 30 days. Here's what happened. There are 4 things I love about this title. First is the time frame. Time frames make videos feel more tangible, so you know exactly what the video is going to be about. Also, in this case, the time frame makes this video feel more attainable, right? Like if they can do this for 30 days, I can do the same thing for 30 days. The second thing I like about this title is that they're talking about things you can do every day. Again, doing things every day makes them feel a little bit more tangible, right? And then also they're easy to kind of plug into your daily routine. The third thing I like about this title is that they finish with curiosity. Here's what happened, opens a loop, and it makes you want to click to figure out what actually happened. And then finally, this title is accessible to anybody. Like you don't have to be a running expert or a fitness expert to do something every day and then go make a video about it. There are a couple of other titles that use these same elements to go viral, and you can use the same thing. Like what happens if you jump rope for 30 minutes every day? 5 dog training exercises you should do every day at home. What happens to your body when you eat chia seeds every day? Ex-employee warns us about Taco Bell's meat. This is a simple but powerful title. First off, it uses authority. This is a story from an ex-employee, right? Like someone who has kind of insider knowledge of what actually goes on at Taco Bell. So it's more believable and more credible. Also, it confirms our suspicions. We've all wondered, is Taco Bell's meat actually meat? Or why does it give people so many tummy problems? Just that kind of feeling about Taco Bell, it confirms those suspicions. Then it also works because it's a warning. Warnings do a great job at grabbing our attention. And then finally, this title is relatable. It has a broad appeal because almost everybody has had Taco Bell. Another title that went viral using a really similar format is YouTube employee reveals new secrets for growing your channel. Top 10 most devastating wildcard losses of all time. First off, this is all about drama and negativity, right? It's not like best comeback wins of all time. It's most devastating losses, and people on YouTube love drama. And then you've got the fact that this is really epic and extreme. It's extreme because these are the most devastating losses. The words "the most" actually give this title more power. And then it feels kind of epic because it's talking about losses of all time, right? So you really increase the scope of this video and it feels way more powerful and way more dramatic. And here are 2 other titles that use similar strategies to go viral. Inside Tokyo's Tiniest Luxury Apartment and 20 Greatest Discontinued Foods of All Time. I wish I knew these before I upgraded to Windows 11. This is powerful for 2 reasons. First off, it's about regret. This is what I wish I knew, right? Regret is such a powerful emotion that almost anybody can use on their YouTube channel because everybody wants to avoid regrets. So people are really tuned in to clicking on those and seeing what does this person regret and how can I avoid that. Also, this builds a lot of curiosity. What are these things that he wishes he knew before he upgraded? Another example of a title using a similar structure is 5 tips I wish I knew before I started motion design.